Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies. My today's recipe is super rich, creamy and delicious Barnyard Millet Pudding, also known as Samak rice kheer. This kheer makes for a great dessert for this festive season, and also it's a perfect Vrat recipe for people who observe fast during this time. The barnyard millet, which is rich in fiber and protein, makes this kheer very nutritious and filling, and I've also added lots of nuts which add to that nutrition even more. And the best thing is this kheer is refined sugar free and it's sweetened with only dates. So if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. In a medium sized bowl, we'll add half cup seedless dates, 1 cup hot milk, and we'll let it rest for around 10 to 15 minutes or till the dates turn soft and tender. Now we'll add the soaked dates in a blender along with the milk, and we'll give it a good blend till it's smooth and creamy. We'll use this date puree as a sweetener in this recipe, but for now we'll keep this aside and heat up half tablespoon ghee in a low to medium heated pan. Now we'll add 1/4 cup barnyard millet and roast this for around 3 to 4 minutes. We'll let it cool for some time, and in another pan we'll add 5 cups of milk. Now I'm using regular milk, but if you want to make it vegan, you can replace it with any plant-based milk and replace ghee with coconut oil, or you can even dry roast the millet if you like. Now we'll add in the roasted barnyard millet. We'll also add 3 tablespoons chopped almonds, 3 tablespoons chopped cashews, 2 tablespoons chopped pistachios, and a pinch of saffron. We'll give it a good stir and let it cook on low heat till the kheer thickens and the millet is completely cooked. Make sure to stir in between so that the kheer doesn't stick to the bottom. The kheer is almost done. As you can see, it has thickened a bit. Now at this stage, we'll add half teaspoon crushed or powdered cardamom, 3 tablespoon raisins, and the date puree that we had prepared earlier. Now we'll give it a good mix and let the kheer cook for around 2 more minutes. And the barnyard millet kheer is ready. Transfer it in a bowl, garnish it with some more nuts, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try this healthy and tasty pudding for this festive season and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.